Hey everyone, maybe one of you could help me out with this. So I have a PS4. I was working for a couple of days. Then it seems like something happened, not sure what. And just had a blank screen. Tried different HDMI cables, different TVs, and whatnot. We're just getting a blank screen. Replaced the HDMI port. Then I was actually starting to get something on the screen. Whenever I had to, for example, reinitialize the system or get into safe mode, I'd actually have visual of something, of the menus and all that. But once I would set everything to default factory settings or rebuild database or anything like that, the PS4 would come up and then I would just get this snowy screen. So it's a weird issue, and now what I'm getting is pretty much a white screen. Not snow, a white screen, but now I just get a snowy screen after I did a recent reinstallation of the firmware 2.02. I pretty much would get that screen that you just saw, snowy white, and now it's trying to do something, not sure what, but it's restarting itself, or not sure what it's doing. It's doing something. But like I said, I keep on getting a snowy white screen. Maybe we'll get see, there you go. So now I get this saying that the system didn't turn off right and what's so we actually see video of something that's actually a PS4. So whenever this happens, or I get into safe mode, or anything like that, I get that screen, it reboots itself, and then I just get the white screen. So white snowy screen. So now I'm guessing the next step is going to be that white snowy screen. So I kind of figured out it's not the HDMI port because we actually do see something. Then I get this screen. So I'm thinking it's either the video on the motherboard that's gone or something, because like I said, I tried reinstalling the firmware. That went well. And now I get this snowy white screen. Anyone with any info, it would be greatly appreciated.